Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart lifetime savings. The most effective and comprehensive way to achieve significant, long-term savings at Walmart is through a Walmart Plus membership. This program bundles numerous benefits, from free deliveries to fuel discounts, all designed to help you save money consistently. By understanding and utilizing each feature, you can unlock substantial financial advantages over your shopping lifetime. Let's dive into how this membership works to benefit you. The core of your Walmart lifetime savings comes from essential Walmart Plus perks. You get free delivery from your local store on orders exceeding $35, saving you up to $9.95 per delivery. Plus, enjoy free shipping with no minimum order on most items, which can save you around $6.99 per shipment. Additionally, members save 10 cents per gallon at over 13,000 participating fuel stations, adding up to significant savings on transportation costs. 5. Beyond the basics, Walmart Plus offers even more ways to save and simplify your life. Members receive the Paramount Plus Essential Plan, a value of nearly $60 each year. You can also save time in store with mobile scan and go, and enjoy the convenience of free returns from your home. Furthermore, gain early access to special promotions and events, ensuring you never miss out on top deals, contributing to your overall lifetime savings. 1, 2, 3, 5. To truly maximize your Walmart lifetime savings, consider the annual membership at $98, saving you $57 compared to the monthly plan. Make sure to regularly use all the benefits, from free deliveries to fuel discounts, to get the most value. Keep an eye out for rotating offers, like free trials to other services, which can add over $150 in value. Plus, eligible students and those on government assistance can get 50% off the annual fee, making it even more affordable. 1, 2, 5.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.